What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to be here. Today we're going to be talking about a trading platform that does fundraising too on the Binance Smart Chain. Super excited. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it because I love you all so much. I want to build a community of like-minded people and hopefully make a little bit of money doing it. So let's get right in. So here we have it, sweetpad.io. Super excited. All the links will be down below. Quick overview, we have apply for the IDO, buy sweets. That buy sweets is quite a cool little play on words. And connect the wallet. Okay, here it will come up with little remarks. So for example, the distribution will be on this date. Comes up with maintenance, schedules, things like that. Now, what is it? It's a fundraising and trading platform on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a platform for investing in the best projects of the market. Okay, things like GameFi, DeFi, Metaverse, everything, all them buzzwords that you always hear, they're always carefully checked before launching on Sweetpad. You'll be able to invest in different projects and receive profits, listen, safely. That's the main focus for this. They go real in deep depth, checking if these are safe. Now, you can never be 100%. No one's saying I'm a financial advisor. I don't know if these are financial advisors, but they put a lot of effort in checking if these are safe. Again, there's a connect wallet button. Just connect your wallet on there. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. So if you don't know how to do that, go on YouTube. Have a look at how you can get the Binance chain on whatever wallet you want to use. Preferably go through our videos, we've got lots on there. Now the tokenomics, okay? So the issue of Sweet Token is limited to 100 million coins. You can't find the distribution of tokens here. The roadmap, you can find the Sweetpad 2022 roadmap here, which we're gonna look at now. Quarter one, they contact roadmap website, the ICO listed, the NFT drop, 50,000 community, and the private sale is now happening. Quarter two, we've got the SWT coin airdrop, which is their coin for Sweetpad. Public sale, platform launch, stake and launch, partnerships, NFT release, NFT marketplace, listed on different exchanges, CoinGecko, listing influencer, marketing push, and 100,000 community. Now in quarter three, they got the exchanger launch, the pools opening, 150,000 community, 5,000 holders, and my favorite, the NFT game. Quarter four, we got the sweet game, the Metaverse, 200,000 community and 10,000 holders. This is their vision. I fully see them setting this out, because already they are gaining some serious momentum. Some of their partners and media here, you can see CoinMarketCap, CoinSniper.net, the ICO, NFT Calendar, CryptoTalk.org, the BNB project, some huge names on here. Your big opportunity may be right here where you are, okay? We have the private round right now. The seed round's finished, okay? The price was at $0.1. Now it's at $0.25, which is 25 cents. And you can get involved in this private sale by clicking that Buy Sweet button. Then we move on to the IDO round where it's going to be 50 cents. So just imagine the amount you're buying right now is already going to go up to 50 cents when the IDO round happens. You can work out what it is you're going to make or what you think you're going to make on the tiers by putting how much in, how many days you're going to lock the tokens for, and it will give you on here. If you go Frodo, obviously you get a different price. Hugo will get a different price. It's 30 lottery tickets, 12 lottery tickets. To get airdrops, you got to join the channels and get the coins when they launch. So connect your wallet. It'll tick it as you do it. Do the Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the TikTok. And this little monster here will give you some free airdrops. We briefed on the tokenomics, but here you go. The reserve is 25%, liquidity 18, team 19, private sales 15, advisors 4, marketing 9, C stage 4, public sale 5, and the charity is 1%. And there's much more videos at the bottom. Please go on there and have a look. And you can start to see a little bit more information if I've not given you it all already. At the bottom is all their links. So everything you need will be at the bottom. We'll also have the link down below in this video. What I want to show you now is if you click apply for IDO, it's going to show the application form, okay? You'd obviously put your email in there and things like that. Put your full name, contact person, fill all these out as you want to. Obviously put the correct wallets in. Please double check all your information so you know. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna apply, like it says, apply to launch on the Sweetpad so we can begin reviewing your application. So if you have projects ready to go, get them to them already so they can verify them, check them. I'm sure they're all gonna be fine. But they need to do their due diligence, both from the submitted applicant and the external sources, and they'll take all the steps they can to make sure it's a solid project and get it out to us, the community, right? So do that if you're involved. Let us know in the comments if you're getting involved and if you put that application in. Now what I want to show you is on their Twitter, you can actually start to have a look at something really cool that they're doing, and it is their own NFT. So this is obviously at the end of day 6. I'm going to scroll down so you can see a little bit at the beginning. It shows you every single step of the way they've been creating it. Like it says here, it's 1 a.m. and the designers are still working. Super cool. They're bringing out their own NFT. I love this. I'm going to definitely try and get one. you can imagine that out of like the hundreds of thousands of people that know about this project, is going to be very busy. But it's super cool that they're doing this and they're showing you every step of the way. I love that. It makes it more unique and it makes you feel more part of the application as well. I'm watching these get built. It's like having a baby. I'm watching them get built, and now they're coming up and they're going to end up looking like a really cool version of one of their Sweetpads. Super, super cool. So look out for their NFTs. So in summary, guys, I love this. I think it's incredible. They're bringing out their own NFT project, which is probably the #1 sale point for me. So get engaging on their social media. Tell them you're from the channel. Tell them we sent you and we're super excited. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified on whatever device you use, hit that bell button because it will come up saying, Georgie Boy's got another video for you. Watch it right now. Have a really blessed day and I'll see you on the next video.